Hey everybody, I just thought I'd make this quick video, something that I came up with. It's probably not very original, but at least I thought I could share it with the 14 viewers on YouTube that might watch this video. I'd love to watch the Dashcam videos and stuff. Those Russians are crazy, man. They don't know how to drive. Everybody in Europe, it's nuts over there. But anyway, I thought Dashcam's a good thing to have. It's kind of protects yourself in an accident, and it's kind of the eyes and ears that you might not be able to have. I just thought it would be a good investment, but I didn't want to spend the money. And then I was cleaning out some drawers, and I found some old phones that I had that I had given to my kids when my wife and I upgraded. So we ended up, just giving these to the kids, and then as we kept upgrading, phones would eventually end up not being used, and they weren't worth any money. So we just kept them. Anyway, so here's what I did. So it's an old iPhone 4S. It was a little bit tough to find a Dashcam app that would work with it. I think it's on iOS 7 or something. But I found one. It's called Car Quarter, and basically it's got the it's got a speedometer with GPS. Got a bunch of settings you can do. This is the list of all the videos. I record at 1 minute increments, and it just automatically saves. I totally cleaned this thing off. It has no other apps on it except for the Dashcam app. It has no other videos, pictures. That way I just figured I could save a lot of space just for the videos. It's real simple. If I have a video that I want to keep, then I just bring the phone inside the Wi-Fi, and then I text it to myself, and I can do whatever I want to do with it. It's great quality. It's high definition. It has audio as well. And as you can see, I just bought a clip-on. It's a suction mount up on the windshield. It's a little bit, it takes up quite a bit of space, but I got used to it pretty quickly. And the display will dim to save battery, but I do have it plugged in. It's just running down to a cigarette lighter. That's right on my dash. So anyway, so I've got a dash cam here that works really well. Sometimes when it's really hot outside, it's a little bit tough it doesn't want to work. That's the phone though, that's not the app. So I've got all this information. It even stores there's the duration. It tells you how big it was, the date it was recorded, but it also gives you your GPS location and your speed and everything as you go. There's your location, there's your R. If I want to, I can get rid of that. So then I can take this video if I wanted to, and up at the top it's got all the embedded information. But I can take that and do what I want with it. So there, actually it looks like I do have a few apps. Oops, wrong camera. Anyway, I thought you guys might like that, an old iPhone. And you know what? If somebody were to steal this, who cares? It was sitting in my drawer. I actually have a couple iPhone 5s that are ready to go. But what I did do is I put a little bit of electrical tape on this side of it to make it a little less conspicuous. It doesn't look like an Apple iPhone, so it's not like candy. Somebody wants to steal it. Anyway, I thought you guys would like that. Have a good day.